Today morning we get an HP see i5 8 gen. HP no one work. This HP this one no one work. Wait till we dey na waiting. This HP we put her on. We press the power button. Light will show here, light will show here. Then begin check what you will show for screen. You go feel say na screen get problem. You see what they do. They shake. We will put another screen now. Me you see say me wanna see say maybe na screen, maybe no be screen. So we could get busy. Okay, hold the camera just like this. Yeah, you can even pause the video, but you can hold like that so they can be going. Let me sort it out. No, leave it going. Leave it going. It's going right? Let me solve it. So now we've got the screen. What we're going to do, we're going to change the screen to see if the problem is the screen, but I think the problem here is not the screen. Let's put another one. It starts again. You pause the video.
No, not now. It's working.
Yeah, no, don't pause it. Let it after some time it's gonna stand. Maybe if you go like this, see? It's still doing it. It's gonna stand after some time. So you can see, right? So let's put the screen and see if the problem is the screen.
Okay.
No switching off my video, eh? For a long time I didn't post a video for people to check how to fix things, how to fix laptops. Now we'll change the screen. We'll take out the screen from this one. Okay, hold it. My guys, open the screen now. Okay. Hey, this machine is on. I don't know why did it come on. Okay. This light must go off when you're putting on the screen here. The light is off completely. Now I can try another screen. Okay, let's put it on again and see if we have. Oh, this screen shows, but there's no light. There's a screen here. You see? Where's your phone? Oh, it's watching a second. Okay, it's showing there, but there's no light.
You can use it. You can use that phone.
Just want to touch.
Just minimize that.
I want the light. It's this way, right? You see?
And then yeah, you can see the screen's not working, sir.
It's this one is showing, but there's no light, right? So the problem of this machine, we are diagnosing it slowly. Let me switch it off this one again. Okay. Now let's try a new screen, brand new screen. Here's a brand new screen, right? Let's test a brand new screen from Galaxy U. If it's Galaxy Yonghong, I'm trying. Yonghong. I hope this language is not insulting somebody. Maybe you say like that, then in somebody's language is an insult. Say yeah. You start creating enemies without knowing that you're making enemies. Okay, that's the brand new screen. Let's test this brand new screen. Still no light. Still no light. So we can assume that the problem of this machine here.
So this one is doing like the same one. It's showing the HP but dim.
Dim. Even they're showing the dim. But this already the other screen is showing it but light. But dancing, right? I'm putting back this one. Where's the original screen? Double is here. So this one close, the light, but blinking.
Yeah, good job.
There we go. That's the problem again.
Yes, say, how are you?
Injani bosa. You got a new jacket, nice one. It's a nice one, man.
No, but I've got issues with it.
How?
With the jacket?
Oh,
Why?
there's a coin inside and I don't know how it came in.
They are blessing you.
No. There's black magic, remember.
Maybe it's
There's
black
black
magic.
magic.
Oh,
Yeah,
so-
maybe.
So you
gonna
see
steal
this?
your money.
Now guys, see now?
See?
My
Yeah,
guy,
it is,
are you
yeah,
doing
it
my
is
video?
now.
You're talking there.
It was here.
Is my video
Now
doing it
it's
correct?
here.
Maybe it's a capacitor. Maybe it's something else. Let's find out.
So the problem is not the screen.
Yes.
So the original screen shows, but with lines. The other one are dim.
The other ones are just dim. This one is going up and down like that. So what we're going to do, our first step, the first steps here, is to check how many volts we have. So we're working at the back. So we're going to be showing the multimeter of how many voltage we are reading. We need a 3 volt here. Do we have
3
volt, right?
volts, yeah.
Okay, and then here by the here we're supposed to have like 12 volt. How many volt do we have? 8 volt. Okay, 8 volt is so small. 8 volt is so small to power on this screen. So let's try to get this voltage more higher, and then we'll see. Let's try to pinch
Are you
it.
done?
Yeah, I'm done, boss.
Let me see.
Okay, let's try to pinch a voltage from something that can make it a little bit higher voltage. Okay.
Okay. This is it.
You can pause the video while I check for the while I look for voltage.
Okay.
This time
Okay, let's start.
Start the video, eh? Okay, now the video we managed to get a higher voltage here. Let's see how many volt we have here. I took a 19 volt. So we have a 19 volt here, 19 volt here. Let's try to open the back cover. I send a 19 volt here. Is it reading right?
Okay.
We have how many volt? Check on the
19
multimeter.
volts.
There's 19 on the multimeter, right? Okay, cool. So let's send this 19 volt down here.
But
Wait.
we are abusing the phone.
It's working.
No. I've
Is-
never seen this.
The phone is supposed to be used for what?
Phone,
No, keep showing us.
making
I'm doing.
calls and receiving.
Ah,
Not this.
and making videos for people that want to learn.
No. There are cameras for videos.
But this my camera is good already. Okay, the 8 volt. We get rid of the 8 volt that was there. Now we put in a 19 on that spot of voltage. Let's wire in some voltage and see. Okay, I injected 12 volt directly to the screen. Let's test it. Not 12 volt, sorry, the 19 volt. 19 volt. The motherboard, straight from the rail line. I send them here. So we have how many volt here?
19 volts.
Is it 11 or 19?
19.
It's 19.
Now it's showing 11. It's 17. That's 17.
Oh, it's showing 17.
Mm.
Okay, now that we've got 17 volt, before we're having how many? Before we begin how many
8.
volt? It was 8 volt, right? Now we've got 19, right? Now there's 17 volt because I send it straight with this cable. So which means this data cable here is obviously not working. That's why I send the voltage straight. Now let's test it with the higher voltage, same screen, and see if the problem has stopped or persisted. Now it's stable. So the problem of this machine is that voltage that was shorting on the screen and shorting because the cable there doesn't provide it. You can see for yourself. Correct now. Now it's working, it's holding. Let's increase the light and see. Light is not increasing yet. Okay. Repair. Let's say restart my PC. Now those lines are gone, completely gone. Gone. Now we have straight voltage to the screen, and it's now working properly. So if you have that same issue there, it's likely to be that data cable, or the voltage restored at 10 voltage here, or the screen itself. Because on this particular one, the 19 volt is not arriving on the screen, so the problem should be the cable. Because now we send the 19 volt straight here, and now it work well, it work well, it work well. I didn't say show me. I was going to the camera. I didn't say the camera must come to me.
We are fixing. We're not making a beauty contest here.
Oh, that's the gigabyte. I told you I have it most. It's the same.
You've got it.
Yeah, that one. Those covers I told you. Yeah. So at least now the machine, this machine is fine. Let's increase the brightness and see if the brightness is working. There is the brightness is working. Let's reduce it. It's reducing there. Increase it.
The up is increasing, the down is reducing, or you are pressing the wrong
I
button.
don't know, but that's how it is.
If you increase, it goes down.
Mm.
If you reduce, it
Then
goes
you go
up.
and you.
Yeah, it's done. So
Yeah.
that's how you can fix this problem. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
Okay.
We out.
We are-
Please subscribe.